Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another Tips from Tiffany. Sorry it's been a few weeks since I've put one of these out. Took a little break, just trying to get some more ideas on tips for everybody. On our last cruise we found a lot of ducks. Dylan decided he wanted to go duck hunting, so him and his friends went duck hunting and found quite a few ducks. Now if you've never done the ducks, so what the ducks is a lot of people will find little ducks like this. You can order them on Amazon, get them at Walmart, wherever. A lot of these ducks will have tags on them. There's usually a QR code, a Facebook site or something that you take a picture with it and you just post it to this Facebook site, and it's a lot of fun to do. It's not something that you have to do. Some people don't, some people do, but it's fun to just walk around the ship and look for these ducks. You can find them in some strange places. I found them in seats. I found them in plants. I have found some in where they have the shuffleboard equipment. Usually up on the sports deck, we find quite a few in the pool tables and stuff. So when you are hiding the ducks, you do want to be careful about some of the locations that you do hide them in. You can hide them in public places, but they don't want them in the shops or in the hot tubs or in the pools. So just make sure that you're very careful about where you hide them. I've seen them in elevators. I've seen them, like I said, in chairs, plants, and stuff like that around the ship. I've seen them on the piano, in some of the areas where the pianos are. Sometimes I've even seen them where they hide them specifically for the crew. Yeah, we found 7 ducks that we brought home with us. Dylan did find a lot more, but he passed some out to his friends and he re-hid a bunch of them. Like I said, he had a really good time doing the duck hunts. So we'll go ahead and get started on some of these tags. So this one here is a one-eyed duck. I've never seen one like this, but the tags usually read, "Oh, what luck, you found a duck. Congratulations, keep or hide, you decide. Please take a photo with me and post it on the Facebook group, Cruising Ducks Originals." So that's the Facebook group that you can take your picture with and upload it to. Only hide in public places, no shops, pools, or hot tubs. This one that was the Carnival Breeze, October 29th through November 3rd of this year. And this one is from Teresa K from San Angelo, Texas. So we found several from Texas. Now this one, some people don't put tags on them. So we found this one without a tag. It's just a little soccer duck. Another one without a tag. This one's just a plain blue duck, but it's cute. Now this one we had fun with in the cabin because this one glows in the dark. I didn't realize it glowed in the dark. I guess I should have. It looks like it would glow in the dark. But when the lights were out and the night light went off, this little duck was just glowing on the desk. So this one says, "Congratulations, you found a cruise duck. Keep or hide, you decide." From the Claytons in Cleveland, Ohio. And like I said, you can hand make these tags. This one looks like they printed it up. You can probably use Microsoft or clip art or stuff like that. Now this one I found in the theater. We were leaving the theater and somebody had just left it in one of the seats. This one says, "Cruising Duck, keep or hide, you decide." From Diana and Corey in Lufkin, Texas. And it has the Carnival Breeze, 10/29 through 11/3. And then it has the Facebook page. This one here, the little jack-o'-lantern duck. They look like they had a lot of fun making this tag. It says, "Happy Halloween. Oh, what fun, you found a spooky duck." Archer family from Deer Park, Texas. Take a picture or selfie and post on the Cruising Ducks Original group. So again, it has the instructions on the tag. And then this one Dylan found the last night of the cruise, our Boo Duck. Now he had a lot of fun with this one. He set this one on the table at the dining room, and the waitress made sure to ask Boo if he needed an appetizer or anything like that. So that's a little bit of cruise ducks. Like I said, you can make your own tags, or you can have them printed. You can order them. I have seen them where you can order them on Etsy and stuff like that. We usually create our own tags on the computer and just print them off, and then I take them to work and laminate them. You can use different things to tie them on with. This one is a hair tie. This one's just some curling ribbon. So different things, another hair tie. But just have fun with them. You can order the ducks, like I said, through Amazon or Walmart. You can get big bags of them, little bags, and there's so many different kinds of ducks out there. Just have fun with it. Have the ducks with your personality, you know. So, yeah, that's our cruising ducks. So hope this tip helped a little bit. Have a little bit of fun with it. Please let me know if there are any other tips you'd like to see about or hear about. I'll do some research and see what I can find out for you. Hope you have enjoyed today's episode. If you have, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hope everybody has a great rest of your weekend and a great week. And I will see you next weekend. And as always, we will see you out on the high seas.